Hi kids, this lesson about Indian freedom struggle, the first war of independence. So this lesson we are going to see about how India got independence and why we got this independence and what was the reason. We were all living under the Mughal rulers. There were a lot of Mughal rulers who were ruling India earlier. We had Chera, Chola, Pandyas, like Mughal leaders, Akbar. Like there were many kings who ruled India. After that, slowly the other country people came into India. You all know why they came in. They all came in telling in the title of trading, because we had lot of minerals and wealth with our country. So they all came into India to buy goods from here, which is very cheap for them, and they can convert into a very good products and sell it in their country. So that was the reason. Trading was the main reason for all this freedom struggle story. So in this lesson, we are going to see about how these people came, which countries have come into our India and how we have fought and how we got the independence. So this is what the lesson going to go, the first war of independence. So before the Britishers, if I say independence, we'll all say, yeah, it is Britishers where the East India Company was there. Even before this East India Company, we had other countries, they have entered in India to seeing our wealth and minerals. So on the first, we have Greece. Then we have Sumatra, we have Arabia, we have Burma, we have Persia, we have the Ceylon, we have Egypt and Rome. So these are the 8 countries who entered into India telling for trading purpose, and slowly we were all captured by them and they started to rule us. And it went on. Finally, the Britishers, the UK people came in, the Britishers entered in, East India Company came in, and then finally the Queen came into the Empress of India, and we all started to struggle, and finally the First World War break. So this is how the story of, I hope we have seen in the lesson. So the next important thing we have to see is the new words for this lesson, the First War of Independence. Let's see what are the new words we have. So we said it as the new words or the D words. So the number 1 is territories. So how do you spell territories? T-E-R-R-I. Territories. T-O-R-I-E-S. It is T-E-R-R-I-T-O-R-I-E-S. Territories. Number 2 is Marathas. Marathas. M-A-R-A-T-H-A-S. It is M-A-R-A-T-H-A-S. Marathas. Number 3 is prominent. Prominent. So P-R-O, prominent. M-I-N-E-N-T. Prominent. Got it? So number 4 is Portuguese. You all know Portuguese is a country name. So Portuguese. P-O-R-T. Portuguese. U-G-U-E-S-E. So how do we spell it? P-O-R-T-U-G-U-E-S-E. Portuguese. Finally, the 5th word is doctrine. How do we spell this? Doctrine. D-O-C-T-R-I-N-E. It is very easy, right? Doctrine. D-O-C-T-R-I-N-E. So in today's assignment, you have this page number from the Sadhana workbook, the mind map, that is in page number 34 and 35. So you have to fill this 2 times. And first I showed you the trade contacts in ancient time. We showed you the 8 countries which came in. I hope you would have done this. Have a nice time. Bye.